Hello, I am RPS Business. I am going to present our topic on management information system in our current education. This presentation is a collaborative effort by our group members. Those names and index numbers are listed on this slide. We have worked hard to bring you insight into how MIS is transforming education, how it affects for our education system. This is the content of our presentation. Let's start with the purpose of this presentation. First one is to discuss how MIS transforms traditional system to efficient technological driven environment. Second one, to explore the role and impact of MIS in modern education. Third purpose is to highlight its benefits, challenges, and future trends. What MIS is. MIS is the structured platform that collects, stores, process, and manage information to support analyzing data, decision making, and control within organization for serving management level functions. In education, MIS supports decision making by integrating new technology with administrative and academic functions. Now I would like to talk about key functions of MIS. First one, security and controls to ensure that data is protected. Second one, information retrieval. It makes easily accessible to data. Third one, data collection and storage. MIS can organize vast amount of information. Fourth one, integration with business processes. Fifth one, data processing. MIS helps to turn raw data into actionable insights. Sixth one, reporting and analysis to make better decisions. Finally, I am going to talk about the importance of MIS in the modern education landscape. It enhances decision making. It facilitates better communication among staff, students, parents, and other relevant people. It improves efficiency. Data. It helps with data-driven strategies as well as student performance tracking, such as student progress, attendance, and results. Thank you for attention. I will now hand over to my friend Bihari Gunsegar. She will explain about historical evolution of MIS in education.
I'm Vihari, so I'm gonna talk about evolution of educational MIS. MIS in education began to emerge in the late 20th century when schools and universities started adopting computerized systems to facilitate administrative tasks. MIS in education initially concentrated on basic record keeping operation like student enrollment, grading, and financial management. Such early systems were basic and used mostly by administrative personnel to minimize the paperwork and enhance the efficiency. There are several key milestones have marked in the transformation of MIS in education. 1980s adoption of computer-based record management systems, 1990s introduction of internet-based student information systems, 2000s implementation of integrated ERP solution for holistic management, 2010s shift to cloud computing and mobile accessibility, 2020s utilization of AI-driven analytics and automation in education management. So finally, we can say that historical evolution of MIS in education reflect a journey from basic administrative tools to sophisticated AI-powered systems that enhance learning and institutional management. As technology continues to advance, MIS will play an increasingly pivotal role in shape the future of education. Thank you.
Thank you, Vihari. So now let's identify the key components of management information systems and how they impact the current education system. So when we look into the components of management information system, the first component can be identified as hardware. And it includes computers, tablets, servers, network equipment, and interactive smart boards, like such things. And it provides physical infrastructure for digital learning. For example, in schools, they are using smart classrooms. It is improving student participation through multimedia presentations and real-time collaborative tools. The next component is software. For example, students' information systems and learning management systems. If we take student information systems, they manage student records, grades, and attendance, and it reduces manual workload. Data is also a key component of management information systems. Student records, attendance, academic performance, teachers' evaluations, and institutional reports are included in these. For example, this enables the institutions to analyze student performance data to identify struggling students early and provide targeted interventions like tutoring and special programs. The next key component is people, which encompasses students, teachers, administrators, staff members, and all the stakeholders of the education system. For example, universities' MIS portal allows students to access their schedules, grades, and exam timetables while enabling faculty to upload their lecture materials and track student progress. The last component is procedure. It refers to the rules and protocols for data entry, processing, security, and information retrieval. And standardized processes improve data accuracy, ensuring the information is updated and error-free. Also, they ensure the protection of sensitive student and faculty data from unauthorized access. Now, if we summarize the impact of the management information systems components in education, they enhance learning, improve administration, and also support data-driven decision making and pave the way to effective and efficient communication. So that's it for the components of MIS in education. So over to you, Prabodh.
I'm Prabodha Baduge. I'm discussing on current applications in current education systems in MIS. First point, streamlining administrative tasks. A management information system plays a crucial role in streamlining administrative tasks in educational institutions. It automates processes such as student admissions, course registration, and scheduling, reducing manual workload and improving efficiency. By digitizing student records, fee payments, and staff allocation, MIS minimize paperwork and errors, ensuring smooth and accurate operations. This leads to better resource management and enhanced institutional effectiveness. Second point, enhancing communication and coordination among staff. MIS enhances communication and coordination among teachers, administrators, and other staff by providing a centralized platform for information sharing. It enables real-time updates, notifications, and document sharing, ensuring smooth collaboration within the institution. Integrated communication tools such as email, messaging, and portals helps faculty members stay informed about institutional policies, student performance, and upcoming events. This improved coordination fosters a more organized and efficient working environment. Third point, automating routine processes. MIS significantly improves efficiency by automating routine processes such as attendance tracking, grading, and payroll management. Digital attendance system replace traditional roll calls, ensuring accurate record keeping and reducing time consumption. Automated grading tools allow teachers to quickly evaluate assessments and generate report cards, maintaining accuracy and transparency. Additionally, payroll processing, faculty and staff become more streamlined, reducing administrative workload and ensuring timely salary distribution. Fourth point, case study MIS in administrative use. A practical example of MIS in administrative use is the university admission system. Many universities have adopted MIS-based online admission systems, allowing students to submit applications digitally. The system automatically processes applications, verifies documents, and generates merit lists, reducing human interventions and speeding up the selection process. This not only saves time for administrative staff, but also provides a transparent and efficient admission process for students. The automation of admissions enhances the institution's ability to handle large volumes of applications with greater accuracy and efficiency. Thank you.
I'm Madhushankar. I'm delighted to talk about the role of management information systems in academic activities and how it is transforming education in the modern world. MIs play a crucial role in enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of academic institutions by supporting curriculum management, facilitating students' assessment, and improving collaboration among educators. First of all, we talk about supporting curriculum management lesson planning. One of key benefits of MIS is its ability to streamline curriculum management and lesson planning. Through digital platforms, teachers can easily structure lesson plans, access learning materials, and update course content in real time. This ensures that the curriculum remains relevant, up to date, and aligned with educational standards. It also helps in regarding administrative workload, allowing educators to focus on teaching. The next, we talk about facility student assessment and feedback material. MIS also plays a major role in automating student assessment. With online grading system, exams and assignments can be evaluated instantly, reducing the burden of manual corrections. More importantly, MIS enable personalized feedback, helping students understand their strengths and areas for improvement. This creates a more data-driven approach to education, ensuring that students receive necessary support to excel academically. The last I would talk about enabling collaboration and communication among educators. Another significant advantage of MIS is its ability to enhance communication and collaboration among teachers and administrators. Platforms like Google Classroom, Moodle, and ERP system allow educators to share resources, discuss lesson plans, and coordinate academic activity seamlessly. This fosters a more connected and efficient educational environment where teachers can collaborate across department of institution. And last, I like to talk about real-world example and case studies. To illustrate these benefits, let's look at few real-world examples. The first, the Google Classroom and LMS platforms have a revolution how schools and universities operated, offering a seamless teacher-student collaboration, real-time assessments, and personalized learning experiences. And I like to talk about another. The University of Colombo has successfully integrated an MIS system to improve curriculum planning and automate assessment, resulting in a better faculty coordination and academic management. Okay, thank you.
I'm Kasim. My part is role of MIS in enhancing student services. Management information system in enhancing student services is a central data repository capable of not only gathering, organizing, and storing student data, but also processing and analyzing it and generating various reports from it. MIS is available to students to facilitate student performance and contribute to students' success in their academic and career plans. Key ways MIS enhances access to student support services: centralized data management, effective enrollment management, improved communication, enhanced academic advising, accreditation and compliance, financial management, data analytics for decision making. There are some examples. First one, many colleges have implemented an online attendance management system. It provides view student attendance and track their performance, which has helped in increasing the attendance percentage of students. Second one, normally MIS stores crucial student data such as personal data, exam records, and even hostel and library details. Third one, effective resource allocation can be challenging, but the best MIS toolkit provides detailed insight into the utilization of facilities, equipment, and staff workload, ensuring resources and optimized. For instance, classroom availability and training providers' schedules can be managed more efficiently, reducing clashes and void. There are many challenges also to consider: data privacy and system integration and user training. Data privacy: maintaining student data confidentiality within the MIS is essential. Student integration: ensuring seamless integration of MIS with other campus systems like student registration and financial aid is crucial. User training: providing adequate training to students and staff on how to effectively use the MIS features is important. Thank you.
I'm Oshadya Basinger. Let's focus on the benefits of MIS in teaching and learning. MIS can be smoothly integrated with the modern teaching technologies to create a more effective learning environment. In online learning platforms, MIS supports learning management systems like Moodle and Google Classroom by managing students' data, tracking progress, and automating tasks. This reduces administrative work, allowing teachers to focus more on students' interaction and innovative teaching methods. MIS also enhances interactive whiteboards by providing real-time data access, lesson plans, and performance tracking. So teachers can display students' performance dashboard during lessons. Additionally, MIS supports personalized learning. Some MIS integrated systems use AI to recommend customized content based on each student's strengths and weaknesses. Therefore, teachers can create flexible lessons, allowing students to learn at their own speed. MIS also boosts students' engagement. Therefore, teachers can provide instant feedback on assignments, keeping students motivated. Integration with tools like Kahoot and discussion boards helps maintain students' interest. MIS also track participation and performance, as well as Parent Portal allows parents to monitor their child's academic progress with creating a supportive learning environment. Now, let's look at a real-world example of how MIS is successfully applied in classroom. Finland is known for its highly advanced education system. It uses MIS to enhance classroom efficiency and students' learning. The system automatically records attendance by reducing teachers' workload. Real-time students' performance analysis helps teachers to identify the students who need extra support. Teachers can plan lessons digitally, ensuring consistency in teaching. Students can submit assignment to an online portal where teachers can grade and provide feedback digitally. Moreover, AI-driven MIS system recommend personalized learning materials based on students' progress. It allows teachers to tailor instructions more effectively. So this approach leads to better academic outcomes and greater students' engagement. So now Nipuna will continue with the next part.
I am JD Nipura. In my section, I will focus few benefits of management information systems in current education. One of benefit collecting and managing educational data. A management information system helps in systematically collecting and managing educational data, including student records, attendance, academic performance, and faculty details. It automates administrative tasks such as admissions, grading, and scheduling, reducing manual workload and errors. Next one, analyzing data to identify trends and patterns. Management information system allows educational institutions to analyze data effectively to identify key trends and patterns. By tracking student progress, dropout rates, and exam results, educators can gain valuable insights into learning outcomes. These trends help in evaluating teaching methods, improving curriculum design, and understanding student behavior. Next benefit, using data-driven insight to inform decision making. With data-driven insights, management information system plays a crucial role in enhancing decision making in education. Educators can personalize learning experiences by analyzing student strengths and weakness, ensuring better academic support. School administrators use management information system to make informed policy decisions such as resource allocation and infrastructure improvements. Moreover, data analytics helps in curriculum development by identify subject areas that require more focus, ultimately leading to improved student performance and institutional efficiency. For examples, early learning systems, adaptive learning platforms, performance dashboards. Thank you.
Thank you, Nipuna. I'm Siddhanjani. I'm going to discuss a topic that is crucial for education institutions, data security and privacy in education. In today's digital age, education institutions handle a vast amount of sensitive data, from person identifiable information to academic records and even health information. The importance of ensuring the security and privacy of this data cannot be overstated. Protecting this information not only ensures the safety and privacy of students, but also maintains the trust of parents, students, and staff alike. However, education institutions face a variety of security threats and vulnerabilities that put this data at risk. For instance, malware attacks, which involve malicious software designed to gain unauthorized access to system, are becoming more common. Another significant risk is ransomware, where attackers encrypt data and demand a ransom for its release. Additionally, we must be aware of phishing attacks, where individuals are tricked into revealing sensitive information, and DDoS attack, which overload system with traffic, causing them to crash. Lastly, insider threats from within the organization, such as disgruntled employees, are also a serious concern. To mitigate this risk, education must adopt strategies to safeguard their data. Data encryption is one of the most effective measures, ensuring that information remains protected both at rest and during transmission. Access control is equally important, where role-based permission and multi-factor authentication can limit who can access sensitive data. Regular security audits help identify vulnerabilities and ensure systems are up to date. Moreover, staff training is essential. Education staff and students on best cybersecurity practice is key in recognizing potential threats early. And of course, we must comply with regulations such as FRPA and GDPR to ensure that we are meeting legal requirements for data protection. For example, consider the 2021 data breach at the Indian Institute of Technology, Mumbai, which exposed the personal details and academic records of 22,000 students. The institution responded quickly, launching through investigation, notifying the affected individuals, and taking immediate steps to strengthen their security measure to prevent future breaches. In conclusion, data security and privacy are not just technical requirements, but a fundamental aspect of maintaining the trust and safety of our educational communities. By implementing robust security measures and complying with regulations, we can ensure that our educational institutions remain safe and secure for everyone involved. Thank you for hearing me, and I hand over to Anjana.
Hello, I'm Anjan Prabhashar, and I will be talking about challenges and limitations of management information system in current education system. First, under the common challenges, we have lack of infrastructure, which means lack of necessary resources like internet accessibility and other hardware resources for this management information system. Then we have resistance to change. People resist to change, people resist to adapt for this management information system because they have lack of knowledge or some particular reason, and they prefer old book system over this management information system. Then we have system downtime and reliability. Sometimes these management information systems can be unavailable for use due to its maintenance or some kind of errors. So it may lead to huge disturb for day-to-day work of education institute. Let's talk about limitation of current management information systems. First one is limited customizability. There are so many kind of educational institute around the world, and these education institute need different kind of systems, but these management information systems have limited ability to customize. Then we have high implementation and maintenance cost. Implementation and maintenance of these management information systems may be higher because maintenance are need to be done continuously. Then we have poor integration with other systems. These management information systems have a limited ability to integrate with other systems. Then we have scalability issues in growing educational institute. When an educational institute get growing, the count of its members get increased. So it may lead to it may cause to store more data in this education system, and sometimes it may be cause to slow process of the works in this management information systems. Finally, we have potential areas of improvement. First, we can improve these systems using cloud-based systems, so it will be have better accessibility. Then we have improvement using experience using AI, so AI can make these systems more user friendly. And finally, we have strength in cyber security, because if this data got leaked into somewhere, then it might be dangerous for users. So it's better to strengthen the cybersecurity measures. Next, Dilini Ruantika will carry out the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, my dear friend Anjana. My name is Sandamali. Let's talk about future trends in management information system. In today's fast-paced digital world, educational institutions must adopt innovative technologies to enhance learning experiences, streamline administrative processes, and improve decision making. So let's explore some key trends that are shaping the future of educational management information system. So the first one is AI-driven decision making. AI-driven systems help educators make database decisions, offering personalized learning paths for students and identifying areas where they may need extra support. For example, AI-driven platforms like Khan Academy, Coursera use machine learning to analyze student progress and suggest customized learning materials, exercises, and courses based on their strengths and weaknesses. The second one is cloud-based solution. Cloud computing is used to store data, access data, and manage it. For example, in universities, use cloud-based learning management system and school administration platform for store student records, course materials, and financial data securely while enabling remote access for student teachers and administrators. So this is very flexible and efficiency in managing educational processes. And the third one is big data analytics. And the fourth one is personalized learning with adaptive system. And the fifth one is automation of administrative function. Administrative tasks such as student enrollment, grading, scheduling, attendance tracking, and communication with parents are being increasingly automated. This reduces manual workload, minimize errors, and allow educational institutions to focus on delivering quality education. Automated chatbots and virtual assistants are also being used to answer student inquiries, improving engagement and response times. And the sixth one is cloud computing provides remote software accessibility. And the seventh one is integration with other systems. Educational institutions are increasingly integrating management information systems with other digital systems such as e-learning platforms, student information systems, and AI-powered assessment tools. This is to ensure that all educational processes from admission to graduation are interconnected, improving efficiency and user experience. And the eighth one is blockchain for secure academic records. So thank you for hearing me, and I wrap up my discussion on future trends of educational management information system. Now let's hear from Dineshi, who will be sharing insight on successful management information system implementation.
Thank you, Dilini. I'm Dineshi, and I would like to present few more examples on MIS in educational field. And as earlier suggested, almost every university around the world has now implemented a successful MIS in their system. As an example, Harvard University has been implemented successful MIS since 1988, and also Indian Institute of Technology, also known as IITS, has adopted the cloud-based MIS for student registration, exams, and result. And also National University of Singapore has implemented an AI-driven MIS for course recommendation and into student advising. This has also encouraged students to enroll more with the university. And also University of Oxford, MIT, and all the government universities in Sri Lanka and also the private universities in Sri Lanka has now implemented MIS in their university to improve their service. And also not only the universities and schools, and the government institutes such as Ministry of Education has implemented the National Education Management Information System in their institute to improve their efficiency and service in their institute. I would like to conclude the presentation on information management systems in education. As my friends have suggested earlier, the implementation of management system in education institution has transformed traditional administrative and academic process into more efficient and data-driven operation. And MIS enhances decision making, streamline administrative tasks, and improve student engagement and much more effective ways in the education, as suggested by my friends earlier. And some challenges come with it, and there are some solutions we have to find in the future. But moving forward, the educational institution must embrace innovation and continuous improvement to maximize the benefits of MIS for a smarter and more connected learning environment. Thank you.